Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial we learn how to make a new blog. First open Chrome. Type blogger. In here I have already made a blog, so I will make new blog. New blog. In title I will write my name. And in this address I will type blog for all viewers. Yes, this address is available. Now I will select simple theme. Create blog. That's all. We created a new blog. In this new blog you can publish new posts, new labels, etc. Let's try. Post title about me. You can select it, and here you can select it as heading, style, and font size. You can make it in center. Now I will write name, then email, then Twitter ID, then YouTube link, etc. Then you can publish. Now see our blog. Here is it. This is our new blog, and this is your address for blog. Thanks everyone for watching my